Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. FedEx just dropped this off. Thank you so much. This is my Whiff Box, guys. I order this every single month in our Scentsy Club. So if you're not subscribed to our Scentsy Club subscription, guys, click on the link below in the description to see all the details, all of the wonderful perks that you get being a part of Scentsy Club. With Scentsy Club, I was able to get this Whiff Box, guys, for $15. That's half off. With a $60 order in your Scentsy Club, you get a half price items. With a $30 order, you get 10% off. But with a $60 order, you get 10% off plus a half price item. So I use my half price to get this Whiff Box for half off. Now let me share with you what I got in all my Scentsy Clubs. This is what I got in my Scentsy Club. I ordered these for the car to make the car smell nice. These are weathered leather. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, weathered leather car bar clips. And you clip these in your car to make your car smell nice. So I got those. I also like to change out my wax. So I constantly get these amazing things that we call cotton cleanup. So I get these in my club. And also I wanted, because our Squeeze a Day was a part of our summer collection. So, you know, our summer scents. So I love Squeeze a Day. It's one of my favorite scents right now. So I absolutely love this, guy. Squeeze a Day is one of my favorite scents. So I added those bars. And then pink cotton is one of my favorites. And so I added this. And I also like these in fragrance flowers too. So I love pink cotton and fragrance flowers. But let me show you what I got inside the box, guys. So yay. Look at that. It comes with this. Let me try to push that back. I love how that says scent Whiff Box, sent with love. So I love that it says that hashtag happy whiffing. And then you have the Scentsy Whiff Box. Of course, you have this piece of paper. It's a flyer. And it says this is Scentsy. Yes, love it. And then it has it in other languages. So I love it. I love it. Yes. So, and then if you open this up here, so bear with me because there was an ice pack here to try to keep the bars from getting melted. So as you can see, it has all this information in here. You can learn more about it as we launch a new catalog. We're also prepping for a new seasonal transition. Here's a little fun, so you can do a crossword puzzle inside of here. You know, different things to entertain you or your kids or whatever. And if you're a kid at heart like myself, you can sit down and do that too. And as you can see, there's an ice backpack in here because they came with bars. And this is our new twist, our travel twist. And you can put this anywhere. You can. This is Amazon Rain, so you can put this anywhere. You can put this on your backpack, in your drawer, in your closet. You can put a piece of adhesive on the back, and you can even tape it to your garbage can or tape it in the bathroom on the wall. You know, anywhere that you want scent to be. Or you can put it in your car, into your seat, or put it in your car with a little adhesive and attach it to the dashboard if you choose. And then, oh, my favorite, you have these autumn road trip pods. Now, majority of all of the items that's in this Whiff Box, the Whiff Box normally costs $30 plus tax and shipping, but you get at least $40 worth of product in here, sometimes more, for only $30. I love our shower gel, so I'm definitely going to be using this. This is vanilla wave, so I'm definitely going to be using this. So yep, I love our shower gel. I'm going to put this in the car. This is black currant and plum. And let's see what we got inside of the actual bag here, which is if you have your cool pack to keep the bars cool, and you have the bars in there so they won't melt. So I'm going to show you what's inside of there. Okay, guys, so I was able to take off what was inside of the container, which I opened this up. And inside of there, you had 2 samples, which is Perfect Day. And as you can see, this is a nice size cube sample for you to be able to test that in your warmers. And then you also have Huckleberry Hideaway. So as you can see, it's a little wet because the ice is melting inside of there because it's hot. And then you have the bar Velvet Moon. And then you have the brand new catalog. So you will get a new catalog inside of your actual, as you can see, Fall and Winter 2022. So you definitely will get a new catalog inside of your Whiff Box. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Absolutely love and adore the new catalog. All of the wonderful things inside. that you can see that's inside of the catalog. Love, love, love it, guys. So go to my website at wicklessallstars.com, guys, and check out all of this. Sign up for Scentsy Club. Get all of the Scentsy Club perks. That way you too can get in with the Scent with Love with our Whiff Boxes. And you can also get a Whiff Box for half off. So I got this Whiff Box for half off, guys. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!